Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome replay viewers. The time is 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We're here at Westhampton, Long Island Railroad Westhampton Station, and let me walk down to the end of the platform here with Mr. Master 767 because we have a little signal loss problem here. Let's hope we're not having transmission issues here. For Pete's sakes.
It's lagging already?
Yeah, it is.
Huh.
And I have it strictly with T-Mobile. All right, we're good now. We're good now for that.
Here's a trick that I can do. If you pull down the menu, like from the top of your phone, if you put airplane on for a second or two and then turn it off, usually that can fix it.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. Thanks for that. All right, here we are again, folks, at the Westhampton Station, awaiting arrival of Long Island Railroad Train 16, the Cannonball, making a special Thursday evening, July 3rd run from Penn Station to the East End. And let's see other people heading in. Here's the Hampton jitney that's just arrived from New York City. So he's servicing the South Fork. A lot of people ride the jitney. I'm here with my good friend Mr. Master 767, who's also going to broadcast and record.
Just a regular video.
Mr. Master 767 tells me that this train is packed, standing room only tonight, and I can see why with the weather forecast for tomorrow, 3-day holiday weekend, start of the extended 4th of July vacation week. We should see quite a few people get off the train tonight. Running on time, should be with us in about 5 to 6 minutes. Cannonball leaves Penn Station at 4:07 p.m. and runs express to Westhampton, where we are now. 78-mile trip, and scheduled arrival time here 5:43 p.m. After Westhampton, the train will continue on east to the South Fork of eastern Long Island, Suffolk County, and make stops at Southampton, Bridgehampton, East Hampton, and finally Montauk. Oh, Andrea, good to see you. Christian Sandoval, I hope I have that right. Hope your name is pronounced properly. You're in Miami, Florida. Well, welcome to Long Island, New York, Suffolk County, where, as I say, we're about 78 miles east of Midtown Manhattan. How are you doing, Andrea? Glad that you're with us tonight for this Cannonball, who's going to be crowded. Coda gauge. Oh, okay. Thanks for that message. Wow, I'm glad to see that. Okay, well, hopefully you will be on it in August. 12 cars tonight, 12 Kawasaki C3 bilevel passenger coaches. The train time app showing the loading of the cars. I saw at least 9 of the 12 are no seats available, implying standing room only. and the other 3 I think had the designation some seats available, some being defined as 1 to whatever. Oh, good for you. So you're going to be coming to Westhampton. Andrea, doing a summer program at school. Okay, good to hear that. Just to give you a little update, folks, I've been tracking the earlier eastbound Montauk trains, and every one of them that ran east, this morning's train from Jamaica and the midday train from Jamaica, and then the advanced Cannonball from Hunters Point Avenue, they have been crowded, to say it bluntly or understating it. Heck of a lot of people heading for the east end of Suffolk County for this 4th of July holiday.
On the approach to Spionk.
Okay, we just had a little update there. Approaching Spionk, which is a nominal 7-minute run from Spionk to Westhampton. So we'll stay right where we are here, folks, and hope for the best with no buffering or signal dropout or anything like that. But I will remind everybody viewing the live broadcast right now, of course, you can access that on my YouTube channel as a repeat, but I will also take the video that's being recorded on my iPhone right now and put that up as a backup video. So this way we won't be encumbered by buffering problems or signal loss or signal dropout. So you have 2 choices there. And I've been told by other YouTubers, please, if you like what you see, hit the like button. Apparently that activates the algorithm or something like that and gets us more viewers. So I always appreciate liking the video, joining the channel. There's no monetary business involved with my YouTube channel. I don't do that for profit or anything like that. It's for your enjoyment only. Okay, I hear the horn of the lead locomotive, probably approaching Old Country Road in Westhampton, about 1.5 miles to the west of us. Around the curve we'll see the headlights of the lead locomotive. I don't know the numbers of the lead and trail DMs tonight because that was not on the app, but we'll find out soon enough. 2 EMD DM30 AC locomotives.
506 and 519.
506 and 519. Thank you very much, Mr. Master. Just updated us, okay? 506 on the point, 519 in trail. So keep that in mind. Keep those engine numbers in mind, because usually what will happen, and it may not happen this weekend because of the fact that tomorrow, Friday, they're running a holiday schedule or whatever, but they usually keep this set intact, and this ends up being the equipment that they use for the return trips on Sunday from Montauk for train 6095. Oh, and there goes a herd of deer across the tracks. But they'll get out of here soon enough. I guess I was premature with my horn. That probably was the horn sounding as he was going through Spionk. That sounds more like the old country road crossing now. So we should see it in about a minute and a half. M7 Express is saying Cannonball is incredibly packed as expected. Yes, as we expected. Standing room only. All right, there's the headlight of the train. Rounded the curve. Crossing over the private crossing that goes into the work yard to the west of us. I'm located a mile and a half east of the old country road crossing, but to the east of us, a quarter of a mile, is Westhampton Riverhead Road. Okay, rolling up the incline. And here she comes. Cannonball for July 3rd. Okay. This is an 8-car platform, but what they will do is open up the first 6 C3s, let people out of the front of the train, and then the crew will conduct a double stop and move the train forward and open up the rear 6 cars. Never been on the Cannonball, Jonathan. Well, it's cool. It is cool. I'll agree with you. And it's packed tonight. Where do you see the crowd get off of here at Westhampton? This is the first stop of 4 more stops. As I said, Southampton, Bridgehampton, East Hampton, and Montauk. Yeah, it's a sight to behold when it's crowded like this. Obviously, this is the biggest trip of the summer season. The next station is Southampton. For those of you who are not familiar with Cannonball, it runs from Memorial Day weekend, the Friday night of Memorial Day weekend, through the Friday night of Labor Day weekend. And so, of course, the 3-day holiday would be the ones where the train is most crowded. All right, we're going to, as you can see, the train is being pulled forward. Make its second stop. We see our MOE crew in the rear engine. Always give them a salute. "519, hi guys. Good to see you tonight." You see the Cannonball logo on the rear of the engine. Of course, also on the lead engine. Maintenance crew rides with the train just in case. Long Island Railroad does not want any problems with this train being as crowded as it is and being as special as it is. Okay, and my friend Mr. Master 767 is up there talking with his Long Island Railroad colleagues in the train, since he is an employee of the LIRR. Just quickly, I'll just show you a little bit of what's happening in the parking lot here. It's 4th of July weekend, folks, in the Hamptons, Long Island's resort area. With all the ocean, beaches, other amenities. I'm not going to get into zooming tonight because sometimes we get ourselves in trouble with buffering and things of that nature. So we'll just leave it the way it is for tonight's broadcast. I'm trying to read the comments, folks, but unfortunately the sun is shining right on my screen right now. The sun is to my back, but I appreciate the chat. I will review all comments when I get home. Anyone who needs an answer to a question or anything, I will certainly provide answers as best as I can. So just remember, this is YouTube channel Redstone Soldier, all one word. And if you like what you see, hit the like button. What a crowd. 4th of July week, starting tonight. Beautiful temperature right now. It's probably about 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Moderate humidity. Tomorrow is going to be a 12 day out of a 1 to 10. All right, and there she goes. Leaving Westhampton. Next stop, Southampton. Followed by Bridgehampton, East Hampton, and Montauk. Let's take a look at the parking lot here, people. I won't be leaving here for a little while yet. Not with this mob scene. I was asked the question a while back, how many seats in a Kawasaki C3? I believe it's 146. Depends upon the car. 146 plus or minus 4 or something like that, because whether the particular car has the restroom facility or not. So let's go with 146 times 12, and that'll tell you how many people minimum were on this train tonight, plus the standees. Oh my goodness, thank you very much for subscribing or being a subscriber. I appreciate that. This is something. This is something. We all predicted it would be this crowded for 4th of July. And we were not disappointed. Okay. All right, let me give you a little heads up as to the next broadcast. Most likely, I will be back on the air at early afternoon on Sunday at the Spionk station to pick up the first of many of the trains that will be running people back from the East End to New York City. And they may be using this particular equipment you saw tonight with 12 cars. And that I'm sure is going to be a crowded train. They may even have to lease some supplemental buses, coach buses. They've had to do that in the past, they being the railroad. Because the trains are so crowded, they have to put the excess on buses, run them back to New York.
One time when we were here, wasn't there a car that I think overheated or something? Was that Memorial or Labor Day that happened?
I don't recall the circumstances, which holiday it was, but yeah.
I think it might have been Labor Day.
Yeah, it could have been. Oh, come on, folks. Everybody will get out of here in time. Okay, thank you very much for joining us tonight. Again, I will be editing this video and putting it up on my as a backup video on my YouTube channel later on this evening. So thanks for joining again, folks. Take care, everybody. See you next trip.